Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we only want to take a look at the shorter time frame. I think altcoins are much more interesting at the moment, but Bitcoin also is trying to rally again. The bulls could be back. Well, they are back, but it's still all corrective price action that we see at the moment. We're still ranging here between support and resistance, and the next upside levels to watch are, well, I would say the next swing high, or the last swing high actually, and we can add a resistance line to this. This obviously would need to be broken next. No, we're already very close actually. I think I mentioned that in the last video already. I'll highlight it in green as a breakout line. This is the previous swing high that formed on the 25th of November, and it is located at 98,000, well, now let's say 99,000. Okay, so that's the level that was nearly reached today. The move to the upside, I mean, I'm labeling it as ABC structure, right? This move up was a clear three-wave move in my view. This here was too deep for a wave 4. Okay, I mean, technically valid. We could even say, and I did do that on the ADA video, that we say, okay, maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the 4 is a bit too deep. It broke support. Therefore, I rather see it as an ABC structure. But that's really like, you know, just the academic side of things at the moment. I have accounted for the scenario that this could be a 5-wave move up by adding Fibonacci support earlier today. Communicated that already to you, but I've adjusted it based on the latest high. So Fibonacci support is now between 92,418 and 95,618. A lot of the altcoins are catching up at the moment while Bitcoin is just moving sideways. Algorand had a nice rally today, made a video on that. What is important, I think, to understand is, I don't mind it going sideways. I think it's quite good for the altcoins the way it goes at the moment, right? So if Bitcoin just hovers in the range throughout the weekend, holds above Fibonacci support, which I adjusted based on the high, then this could be another positive altcoin weekend. I think normally weekends have been quite boring, or are quite boring actually, but they haven't been so boring in the last few weeks. So usually the Saturday they've been really interesting, you know, especially for the altcoins. So I don't mind that, and I think most people would be happy with that. Bitcoin is just below important resistance, but it's not really bearish. I mean, there's not a lot of selling pressure. I guess that dip was just caused by Kramer, maybe, speaking positively about Bitcoin. So Kramer did beat the Elliott Wave. So that was, you know, we were watching for one more high, right? You remember? And I think when it was about to do that 5th wave, I blame it on Kramer. Didn't happen. So it could still happen. We still have it on the price chart here as a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th wave unfolding right now. Still valid because the red line didn't break. So we can still watch for that, or just a B wave, right? Essentially, there isn't really an easy way to tell the difference between the yellow ABC structure and the blue ABC structure in wave 5, which is part of that ending diagonal. I mean, yeah, you know, what do we use the Elliott waves for? We use them to identify relevant Fibonacci targets, support levels, and resistances. And the support region is between 92,418 and 95,618. In simple terms, I use this area to determine if we have bullish momentum or short-term bearish momentum, because the price might just do this. Yeah, and we would still be up. But if the price starts to break below this support, then I would use that area, especially the $92,418 level is used as a pivot to distinguish between upside and downside into the mid 80K region. So that's my key level. It's quite simple actually. There's no need to make it more complicated. Above support, I'm looking at higher. Below support, I'm looking at lower. Then obviously we're entering the larger support zone, but then we'll probably hit like the mid 80 to low 80K region if we break below that level on a sustained basis. For now, I'm looking for higher prices as long as we're above support. Obviously, we know we're just below resistance as well. 100K shouldn't be a secret. You know, we all know 100K is difficult to break. So Bitcoin just might need a few attempts. But remember that we communicated that this B wave might even do that. B waves can overshoot. So the 100% extension target for yellow wave C of B is located at 101,760. So that's the ABC structure here to the upside, right? And can I rule out further extensions? No. I mean, the main takeaway is as long as pullbacks are corrective, we can overall look for higher. But the rally here is also corrective, at the moment at least. If it's a 5-wave move up, well, look, there's a support area. So the main focus needs to be on the levels, not so much on the micro count. So at the moment, the levels are 92,418 and 95,618. I will adjust them if needed. But I've got the feeling the main focus on the weekend will be again on the altcoins. We'll see. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, or if you're already a member, you can use our Black Friday special. There's a 20% discount on our annual membership gift cards. They are the gift cards. Normally the annual membership already is 20% discounted compared to the monthly one. But with this gift card, you get another 20% off from that already applied discount. We normally don't do this. This is only going on for a few more days. You can do that today or over the weekend. Good news is even existing members can do that. So if you are an existing member, you can just click on this on our X profile, click on the link, apply the discount to the gift card, and then you have to just buy the annual membership with that gift card, okay? But it gives you an additional discount. The main benefit of a gift card is even existing members can apply it to extend their membership, and you can gift it to someone else. Yeah, if you need a Christmas present or something, maybe someone wants to get into crypto, I don't know. There you go. Again, it will expire on the 2nd of December, so you might want to use that. Okay, thank you very much. I wish you a great day, great weekend. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.